Hello students, this is your English creative writing class. Students, this is exercise 8 from creative writing book 4. Today we are going to solve exercise 8. So we start our lesson. Here on page number 69, A part is mentioned. The question or the statement is, the internet has become a very important part of our lives. It has changed the way we communicate and the speed of getting information. Write down how it has changed your school life. The answer may be, internet has improved the quality of education these days. I use the internet instead of going to library. It is the most popular resource. With a click of button, I can find what I need. Nowadays, a student does not have to go to school to receive an education. I can take online course and training as well. Internet is also a medium of communication between friends. We can communicate with friends using internet. Page number 70, B part. Answer the following questions on the changes that the internet has brought about. 1. What changes have taken place in the way people communicate? Answer. Nowadays, people do not need to write letters living at a distance. They can do communication with others through internet by writing letters, email, and even using live online chat using different websites. By using different websites. 2. What changes have there been in our ways of obtaining information? Answer. Information can be obtained anywhere using internet connection. It is also an easy way to obtain information relating to any topic sitting at home. We just need to click or press the button or type the words in the search engines and the information will appear. Question 3. What changes have taken place in the way we learn or educate? Answer. We do not just learn from the textbooks. Now we can learn from the interesting videos and lectures available on internet. Internet can be used to take pictures to make teaching more realistic and entertaining. Question 4. What changes have occurred in your life since you started using the internet? Answer. Due to internet, I have been able enough to learn about things happening around me. It has also brought my friends more close to me. Question 5. The conveniences brought about by the internet also resulted in some disadvantages. Can you list some? Answer. First disadvantage is that sometimes information available on different websites might be false, and those who read it might be misled. Secondly, personal information might be leaked to strangers. Furthermore, continuously sitting on the internet causes several illnesses, such as backaches and defect in eyes, etc. Here is C part on page number 72. The statement is, you surfed the internet and made a friend named Steven from America. One day, He sent an email to you and said he wanted to know more about your school life for his school project. Write him an email telling him all about your school life and education system. Recipient's address: stevejohn@gmail.com. Sender's address: jamal@gmail.com. Subject: School life and education system. Dear Steven, it is good to hear about you. You have asked me about educational system in Pakistan. I think educational system in Pakistan is different from the system in America. In Pakistan, we study 7 subjects as English, Urdu, social studies, social studies, science, Islamiyat, and computer. We sit for examination 4 times in a year. We do a lot of practice for the examination. There are other subjects in our schools, but they are not examined. These include art, physical education, and music, etc. I hope this information is useful for your school project. Here is D part, writing task. Do you often surf the internet? Write an article on your opinion of the internet. Use these questions to help you. Brainstorming guidelines. 1. List some things that you do through the internet. Answer: communicate with others, search for information, email, chat, online training, and online games. 2. Does the internet help you in your studies? How? Answer: yes. It helps to get information easily sitting at home. 3. What are the advantages of using the email? Answer: we can communicate with many people at a time. It is easy and not expensive. 4. What disadvantages do you think the email has over the normal mail? Answer: email messages can obtain viruses. Email could potentially cause information overload. 5. Have you had any problem while surfing the internet? Answer: sometimes poor internet connection. Too much information, could not find what I wanted. Here is a question on page number 74. Write an article about the advantages and disadvantages of using the internet in about 100 words. Give your article a suitable title. The title of the article is Advantages and Disadvantages of Using the Internet. Today, modern life has become easier for people in many ways. Internet is a common tool of communication. There are advantages and disadvantages of internet. One advantage is to get quick and easy access to information. Up-to-date information related to any topic is available on internet. It is also cheap to send emails through internet. Disadvantages of internet are that virus can be sent through internet. Sometimes it is difficult to find information that is required. Practice in creative writing. Read the following. E-commerce. Nowadays, people do not have to go to department stores or supermarkets to buy things. All they need to do is just sit at home, turn on their computers, click around with the mouse and buy what they want. This is known as e-commerce. E-commerce is beginning to replace some of the traditional ways of doing business. Some people believe that the traditional shops or stores will never disappear. Others believe e-commerce will eventually replace the shops. Now list as many reasons as you can for the two different views on e-commerce. Some people believe that e-commerce will completely take the place of traditional shops. I agree because some people believe that e-commerce will take the place of traditional shops. I agree because people can buy things from shops that are overseas. This means there is a variety of things available to the people. Some people believe that traditional shops will always be around. I agree because for some types of items like clothes and shoes, it is better to try them before buying them. Sometimes people need shop assistants shop assistants to help them to decide what they need. Some people prefer to go outside and enjoy shopping. Which view do you support? What is your opinion on this issue? Write your views and thoughts in about 100 words. My opinion is that traditional shops will always be around. Clothes and shoes have to be tried before buying them. Sometimes there is need to check the material first and then decide to buy some items. I always try to move around the market and explore new things. I like to try food items by myself. I do not want to sit in my home and browse on internet. I really want to go outside for shopping and outing. Moreover, whenever I go for shopping, my family friends are with me and we enjoy get together and outing. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.